Welcome to Somfy's video manual for Somfy-powered rolling shutters. In this video, you will learn how to add and delete transmitters to control your rolling shutter. Radio technology Somfy offers great flexibility in the way rolling shutters are controlled. For example, one shutter can be controlled by one transmitter or several transmitters. A group of shutters can be controlled as a group and individually by one or several transmitters. Mix and match including timers, sensors, app and voice control, as well as via third-party home automation systems. Let's add some more controls to an already programmed shutter. Starting with an already programmed RTS transmitter, press the programming button on the control until the shutter jogs. Next, select the new RTS transmitter to be added. Briefly press the programming button on that control. The motor will jog, confirming the new control. Let's add a wireless smooth switch next. Again, starting with an already programmed RTS transmitter, press the programming button on the back until the shutter jogs. Now briefly press the programming button on the back of the smooth switch. The motor will jog, confirming the new control. Test it by pressing up or down buttons. Now we will add a Situo remote. Once again, starting with an already programmed RTS transmitter, press the programming button until the shutter jogs. Next, briefly press the programming button on the back of the Situo. The motor will jog, confirming the new control. Test it by pressing up or down buttons. Finally, let's add a multi-channel Decoflex wall switch. Start with an already programmed RTS transmitter. Press the programming button on that transmitter until the shutter jogs. Now take the Decoflex switch and select a channel. In our case, it will be channel 1. Now briefly press the programming button with a paper clip. The motor will jog, confirming the new control. All transmitters now control the same shutter. Removing an RTS transmitter from motor's memory. The procedure is exactly the same as adding a transmitter. Press the programming button on a control that you don't wish to delete until the motor jogs. Next, take the remote to delete and briefly press the programming button of that control. The motor will jog, confirming the deletion. You can check by pressing up or down. The motor should not react. Same procedure applies to any RTS controls. When working with a multi-channel transmitter, make sure you choose the correct channel for deletion. Thanks for watching. Visit us on somfysystems.com for more information.